Hey guys and gals, this is your boy JR. Thanks for following me here on the Lone Wolf Bushcraft Instagram page. If you get a chance, go over to YouTube and go check out the Lone Wolf Bushcraft YouTube channel. If you like what you see, the content on there, please like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys and gals later. Peace. Hey guys and gals, this is your boy JR. Welcome to the Lone Wolf Bushcraft YouTube channel. Please go over to YouTube and check out the Lone Wolf Bushcraft. My name's JR and I host the Lone Wolf Bushcraft YouTube channel. If you like the content you see on the Lone Wolf Bushcraft YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys and gals later. Everybody take care. Peace. Later, everybody.